Okuma's top-selling lathe, LB3000EX, has undergone a full model change. To contribute to solving social issues the manufacturing industry is facing, the LB3000EX Ⅲ has been equipped with OSP P500, the next-generation CNC. The machine has been reborn as a green smart machine that achieves high accuracy, high productivity, and commits to decarbonization. LB3000EX Ⅲ has the highest machining ability in its class for both turning and milling, and is equipped with a powerful spindle with a turning capacity of 4.4 square millimeters. Achieving a milling capacity of 200 cubic centimeters per minute, the machine is built for process-intensive machining. The C-axis indexing accuracy has also been improved to enable milling with higher accuracy. The machine is effective in machining parts that have high accuracy requirements, such as EV-related parts, which are increasing in demand. The slanted box bed structure is designed to promote manageable thermal deformation. It reduces the effects that coolant and heat emitted during machining causes to machining accuracy and provides high stability. The LB3000EX Ⅲ's machining accuracy is also extremely stable. Even in an environment where the air temperature changes by 8 degrees Celsius, the machining dimensional change over time is maintained within 5 micrometers. The need for warm-up and the number of dimensional compensations are reduced, increasing productivity. The distance between centers for the LB3000EX Ⅲ can be selected from 500, 1000, and 1300 according to workpiece size. The LB3000EX Ⅲ is available with milling spec, Y-axis function, and sub-spindle spec. Having a variety of specifications as well as having high basic performance enables the machine to do process-intensive machining with high accuracy. With the Y-axis function, many processes can be done on the machine. The machine can perform gear cutting, which has an increasing demand within the growing EV market. It can also be used to do hard skiving for finishing machining on heat-treated parts. The sub-spindle enables machining of the front and back side of a part to be completed on one machine. Because the LB3000EX Ⅲ can do process-intensive machining that goes beyond the borders of conventional lathes, productivity can be increased. We offer labor-saving functions that fit your production system. The sludgeless tank dramatically reduces the need to do troublesome tank cleaning. This means less interruptions during operation and improvement in productivity. We offer a wide variety of automation specifications to achieve high productivity with less manpower. LB3000EX Ⅲ can be automated in a way that matches your production system. With a built-in robot inside the work chamber, the Armroid saves shop floor space. Depending on production volume, the movable collaborative robot can flexibly adjust the number of machines that must be automated. We can make flexible proposals for automation using a wide variety of peripheral devices combined with robots. There is currently a demand from society for factories to save energy and to commit in decarbonization. Okuma's intelligent technology, thermo-friendly concept, enables machines to autonomously maintain high accuracy. And the energy-saving system, EcoSuite Plus, minimizes power consumption while maintaining high accuracy in a general factory environment. In comparison to similar machines that are not equipped with EcoSuite Plus, the LB3000EX Ⅲ reduces power consumption by 11%. To maximize the operation rate in your factory, the LB3000EX Ⅲ is equipped with the next generation CNC OSP P500. Highly accurate estimations for machining time can be done instantly, allowing the user to develop an accurate production plan based on machining end time. A new feature introduced on the OSP P500 is the Smart OSP operation. Even a novice who has no knowledge of machining programs and GM codes can machine a part by following the guidance function and entering drawing information of a workpiece. The required manufacturing process will be automatically generated, and within a day, you can create a program and a part. A green smart machine with upgraded basic performance reduces energy consumption and enables any operator to perform high levels of machining. The LB3000EX Ⅲ. It will become, without a doubt, the new favorite in your factory for years to come.